Fruit trees in Vintage Story are unique plants which allow you to grow apples, oranges, pears, mangoes and use them for food, juice or even wine. Hello everyone, OG here and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to find, grow and breed fruit trees in Vintage Story. The first thing to know about fruit trees is that they are relatively easy to find when they flower, not only because they are more vivid, but also because you can just check the map for the white-like spots and these are gonna be your fruit trees. If they aren't blooming just yet, you can also try your luck and just stumble upon them somewhere in the woods. You'll definitely see a fruit tree by its trunk or stem. It is much more narrow than in other trees. Alright, so you've spent your lifetime searching for a tree, now take a shot of Valeriana officinalis, cause growing these trees will be really hard. Trees don't drop normal saplings, instead you cut them out. In order to take that sapling or rather a cutting with you need to find a nice looking mature MILF branch and use your massive axe to get it. Just cut that branch off of an apple tree for example and you'll get a cutting which you can either plant and pray for it to prosper or put it on another tree such as a pear. When planted, cuttings have a 25% survival chance, which is not too bad, but boy do you need many of them to actually make up for a decent garden. If you want to get really mad, you can also try grafting. Just like in real life, you can grow pears on an apple tree for example. For that you need to have a mature apple tree with a grown-up branch which you should cut with an axe to get an open cut. Now on that open cut you can put your pear cutting and leave around 6 blocks for it to grow big one day. Just keep in mind that it only has a 5% survival chance, so investing in that mutant tree is pretty risky. The best practice is to combine the trees of the same kind, such as deciduous with deciduous and evergreens with evergreens because they share similar growing conditions and temperatures. Alright, so the tree has been planted, but when is it gonna blossom? It takes 2 weeks under 2 degrees Celsius for the trees like apples, cherries and pears to experience the so-called vernalization process. It's when the tree needs to experience cold, loneliness and suffering so that it can start blooming again. If you're lucky enough and manage to grow some trees, it's time to reap the fruits of your labor. Hold the right click as with berry bushes for the fruits to drop right into your pocket. And here you go, now you know how to find, grow and breed fruit trees in Vintage Story. So this is it for now guys and see ya next time.